Hello guys, hello subscribe. Thank you what you watching my video. Thank you what you follow me. Today now we arrived at one at the of the beautiful at one on the beautiful place. Sorry my English because English not my native. And now we arrived one of the beautiful place Phuket. It's place Khatu Waterfall. It's very beautiful and now high season, and I think today we will see how this waterfall very beautiful. And where we parking? We come here and we parking. I show you where. Here not a big place where people can parking, but we parking here motorbike and have cafe. If you want drink, if you want eat, you can go and buy and can sit eat here too. And okay, now we walk here and go to we go to look waterfall. And now I show you a little bit what we can look here already. Oh, it's very beautiful, guys. What do you think? Please write me, comment my video. Here, very beautiful place, guys. But it's just water. I don't know, I think can. And okay, before go see waterfall, because we need walk up, it's high. And we buy Thai tea with lemon, and I drink for half power, and after drink we go. Aroi. It's mean I try learn Thai language, and aroi it's Thai. If translate it's mean delicious. Okay, let's go. Oh, who is cat meet. Hello Puen. Puen it's mean friend. Puen it's Thai language. Hello. You don't want speak? You don't want talk? Okay.
Then what you want food? If you not food, I close.
Okay, Anna, you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. Oh.
Yes, I know. I say so.
Yes, you see, guys, it's here beautiful too. What do you think? Please write comment. But we need going here and up. Yeah, oh, dirty a little bit, but it's not problem. We need very up. It's not easy up, but we are ready. Okay, go. And are you tired already? Oh, but beautiful view. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. But we can see midnight dirty and broken. Here maybe dirty and broken because I remember when I first time come this place. Because you remember have hard time, we have COVID time. And people long time not come because don't have tourists in Phuket and maybe broken. And only now tourists come and maybe government after make for looking beautiful, I don't know. But it's not problem, we go to look beautiful waterfall. Okay guys, we coming already and you can look waterfall. Okay, let's go. Take video on here. But don't have people a little bit. Okay guys, what do you think about this waterfall? It's very pretty. I think it's waterfall not big, don't big size, but very beautiful. What do you think? Guys, when I take video and walk here and she tell me she look have durian, you know, fruit durian very popular in Thailand and world too. If you know, you write me comment. And now we go to see where durian.
Okay, we can here and go to the thank you. Because you ordered now, you mind.
Okay, go.
Durian.
Okay, go. I take video. I show for my scribes where durian. What you doing? What this? What is that? Huh?
You can try. Because you
Oh.
can.
Yes, durian. All durian.
เดี๋ยวนี้ตรงนี้
Oh, durian too.
นี่เพื่อน
Where?
นั่น
No, it's short.
ยูถือมีดอ่ะ
It's short.
เอา
It's
ถือ
short.
ก่อนถือนี่
What do you want? Ah.
คุณแคนบัดมีไม่แคน before ถ่ายไปลอง
I just want sneeze. Yes, have durian really. Guys, you can see it's durian. Oh, I see one. Put you. And two durian. Younger. Oh.
not ถ่าย and
You see durian real. You see durian real.
and
Okay, Puen, you can, you see, you can stay here and take video how I sit. Huh? You can?
but why you not take
Puen, for what?
for it
No. You can, you see right, you can up and hear more picture. Understand? You can take video far and near. Understand? You take already? Now you can near, you know how? Can? You can near, do near. You can or cannot? Okay. Ready or not? You take already? And now you can do I mean far, and you take video me and you right and take here. Not now, because I talk. Okay. And where you to go? And look durian and go look. I won't look. Okay, go go see. big tree, long, long, and have durian too. I hope you see. Where Anne? Where she go? Puen. My guys, I tell Puen it's same. Guys, I again speak and try speak Thai. Puen, it's translated, it's mean friend, right? Right and correct?
Right.
Yes, and you can learn with me Thai a little bit.
Oh, you see, you up.
Yes, I take video already and he beautiful too.
ใช่ but you beware นะ but he just
And you don't worry, maybe have snack?
เพื่อน you not tell you remember
No, you what you think? Snack can
ไม่
have?
เอาเพื่อน you not tell because you not remember if you talk about that and have now
I just have questions for you. Maybe here can have snake? Yes, can. Why not? And now we when I take video drone, people come for waterfall, and he tell me if you back you be careful because have snake. I don't know. We back and I don't know. We can see or not snake. I don't know. We just go. Okay guys, we back from Waterfall, and I think it's beautiful place and good for go to relax, and just good place and good picture, and people who won't come to look waterfall, I think can have good picture and video. I think yes, why not? What do you think, guys? I wait your comment my video, and I hope you follow me. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time. Bye bye.